Good morning, children. Today let us continue the topic addition and subtraction. Okay, our first question is estimate the answer to each calculation using one of these numbers. The numbers given are 34,405 plus 90,000 253. Okay. First add these numbers. 5 plus 3 8, 0 plus 5 5, 4 plus 2 6, 4 plus 0 4 and 9 plus 3 12. Okay. Now children, we have to round this number to 10,000s please. 10,000s. So for rounding the number to 10,000s place, check the digit in the thousands place. This is thousands place. Ones, tens, hundred, thousands. The thousands place is 4. 4 is less than 5. So replace the digits in thousands, hundreds, tens and ones by zeros and write the remaining digits. So our answer will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 2, 1. Okay. We are replacing thousands, hundreds, tens and ones places by zeros. So when we estimate the number, that is 124,658, it will become 120,000. Okay, 120,000 is the estimation. Our next question is $278,410 minus 139,321. Okay. So subtract these numbers. Zero minus 1 we can't. So borrow 1 from 1. 0 becomes 10 and this 1 becomes 0. Okay. 10 minus 1, 9. Again borrow from here. This 4 becomes 3 and this 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 2, 8. 3 minus 3, 0. Again 8 minus 1. That one we can't do. So borrow 1 from 7. So this 8 becomes 18 and 7 becomes 6. 18 minus 9, 9. 6 minus 3, 3. 2 minus 1, 1. So our answer is 139,089. Okay. Find the difference between the given numbers. Now we have to round this number. So check the digit at the thousands place. The thousands place is 9. 9 is greater than 5. So add 1 to the 139,089 is our answer. Here the thousands place is 9, which is greater than 5. So add 1 to the 10,000s place and replace the other digits by zeros. You already learned about how to round numbers to 10,000. So replace these by 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3 plus 1, 4, 1. Okay. So our answer is 140,000. 140,000 is our answer. So here the difference between these numbers is 139,089. When we are rounding it to 10,000s place, check the thousands place which is greater than 5. So we have to round the number up by adding 1 to the digit in the 10,000s place. Here the 10,000s place is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. And replace the other digits by zeros. So our answer is 140,000. Okay. Next question is, the table shows the flight distance from Dubai to 5 destinations. Destinations means the place to which a person travels. നമ്മൾ ഏത് സ്ഥലത്തേക്കാണോ നമ്മൾ ട്രാവൽ ചെയ്യാൻ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുക അതിനെയാണ് ഡെസ്റ്റിനേഷൻസ് എന്ന് പറയുക. ഓക്കെ. The destination that is from Dubai to these places. First is Buenos Aires, 13,656 kilometer. Cairo, 2,490. Karachi, 1,190. New York, 11,020. And Singapore, 5,847. Okay. So, ദുബായിന്ന് ഈ പ്ലേസിലേക്കുള്ള ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ആണ് ഈ ടേബിളിൽ കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ. അവർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഈസ്, ലിയോ ഫ്ലൈസ് ഫ്രം ദുബായ് ടു സിംഗപ്പൂർ. Nadine flies from Dubai to Cairo. What is the difference in their flight distances? So, നമ്മൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് എഴുതാം. ദുബായ് ടു സിംഗപ്പൂർ is 5,847 kilometer. 5,847 kilometer. Here we are finding the difference in their flight distances. Okay. Then Nadine flies from Dubai to Cairo. The distance is 2,490. So find the difference between these numbers, children. 17, 8, this 4 becomes 3. Okay. So 3 minus 1, 2, 8 minus 4, 4, 5 minus 2, 3. So what is the difference between these places? 3,428 kilometer. Okay. Next question is, Mary lives in Dubai. In 1 year, she travels to Buenos Aires, Cairo, and Karachi. She returns home after each trip. How many kilometers does she fly together? Mary lives in Dubai. Mary എന്താ ചെയ്യുന്ന? In 1 year, she travels to Buenos Aires. Buenos Airesലേക്ക് പോകും. Then she returns home. എന്നിട്ട് തിരിച്ച് വീട്ടിലേക്ക് തന്നെ വരും. That is, she returns to Dubai. Then after a few week or few month, വേറെ എവിടേക്കാണ് പോകുന്നത്? Cairo. Again she returns home. Okay. Then to Karachi. Again she returns home. So here we have to find how many kilometers does she fly altogether in 1 year. Okay. So children, first we have to add the distances. That is 13,656 plus 13,656. That is the distance to Buenos Aires. Why we are adding this number 2 times, children? Because he is traveling from Dubai to Buenos Aires and she returns home after each trip. Okay. Buenos Airesിലേക്ക് പോയിട്ട് അവിടുന്ന് തിരിച്ച് വീണ്ടും ദുബായിലേക്ക് പോകും. So here we have to add these numbers 2 times. Our answer is 27,312 kilometer. Okay. That is from Dubai to Buenos Aires and from Buenos Aires to Dubai. Okay. Next is she travels to Cairo. The distance is 2,419. Again 2,490. Okay. Why we are adding this 2 times? Because she is traveling from Dubai to Cairo and returns to Dubai. Okay. So we have to add this number 2 times. So the distance is 4,838 kilometer. Okay. Now the third place is Karachi. The distance is 1,190. 1,190. Okay. So 1,190 plus 1,190. That is from Dubai to Karachi and from Karachi to Dubai. Okay. So here the total distance is 2,380 kilometer. Okay. Now children, our question is, how many kilometers does she fly altogether? So we have to add these 3 distances. That is 27,312 plus 4,838 plus 2,380. Okay. We have to add these numbers. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 0, 10, 0. 1 carry over. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 8, 13. 3. 1 carry over. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 5. Again 1 carry over. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 4. 1 carry over. 1 plus 2, 3. So the total distance she travelled is 34,530 kilometer. Okay. So the distance travelled in 1 year is 34,530 kilometer. Hope this is clear for you. If you have any doubt about this, please send me a message. Thank you, children.